Welcome, my name is Erica, and I'm here with Rituals to share with you a step-by-step ritual that will bring ease and radiance into your face. Today we're going to be using an oil by Rituals. It's the Ritual of Namaste, and this oil is a really beautiful blend that has a sweet smell to it that will transition you into a place of calm and peace. And this literally changes the chemistry of your body. It can uplift your mood. Right? And already I'm starting to feel better. So with this oil, we're going to release 2 points of tension today. One is with the lymphatic system, and the second point is with the fascia. The lymphatic system is known as a circulatory system through your body that removes waste on the cellular level, while the fascia is best known as a sweater throughout the entire body. It's a connective tissue that when you pull here, you can feel the stretch further down the body. And when this muscle, this connective tissue, is tense, then eliminating certain toxins from the body becomes more difficult. And this practice is very simple. With the oil on your fingertips, you're just going to touch the location of the lymph nodes. And there's a lot located along the collarbones. And technique is everything here. So you want to be really gentle. The more gentle, the better. And the fascia lives right beneath the skin. So in circular motions, you're just going to work the collarbone and learning to touch with a much kinder intention. Intention is so important in our practices, particularly in our rituals, because it's every thought, every choice that we make that drives the energy. And right now, we're just infusing our body with some kindness, with some mindfulness. And we're going to start to work up the jawline or up the neckline. And gentle circles, either clockwise or counterclockwise, right in the place of the throat where you would normally get a sore throat. So you want to work the lymph nodes here. It should feel very relaxing. And you just want to treat your skin with the utmost respect. Starting to come into the jawline. And we hold a lot of tension here. And so you just want to work, maybe even with the eyes closed, to start to direct the energy inward. And just softening the jaw. And then we'll begin to work up to the temples now. And with the first 2 fingers, just a gentle touch. Massaging the fascia. Releasing any toxins in the lymph nodes. And you can even come onto the hairline. And this is kind of a fire touch, so you want to be very dynamic and quick. And you can just start to do the hairline. And working all the way back down to the neck now. So you're going to take, there should be a little oil left on your hands. You're going to iron out any energy from the base of the ear down to the throat. Just smoothing out the rough edges. And a lot of stagnation can get stuck at the base of the skull. And by pulling the energy down, you can even take the energy and flack it off with the fingers back into the earth. Good, and we'll interlace the fingers now and then reach up. You're going to press the palms away from the crown of the head and just give a slight opening of the chest, pressing the bottom tips of your shoulder blade into the back of the heart. And then we'll crescent moon towards the left, and you can take your fingertips along the hairline. And rolling the right shoulder back, You can just slightly lift the chin, and with your fingertips, it's almost as if you're giving yourself a facelift. Pulling the skin with the tips of your fingers, with the intention to bring kindness through your touch. And so it's helpful to keep the lips closed, breathing in a way that builds a little bit of heat, ujjayi breathing. Good, and we'll come to the second side. Interlace the fingers, press the palms away from the crown. Gentle back bend, big opening of the heart, lift the chin, and then exhale, we're going to crescent moon towards the opposite side. Good, rolling the left shoulder back and down, so your ear is moving away from the shoulder. And with your fingertips, you're just rocking the fingers on that superficial layer of skin, the very top layer of skin. Matching that with a deep breath, lips closed. Good, so already you should feel a release. Good. And one more time, interlace the fingers, turn the palms away. You're going to lift the organs up and out of the sit bones. Find a gentle back bend, and then we're going to draw the hands in towards the heart. And just take a moment, shoulders rolling back. 3 circles. Shrugging the shoulders up, back, and down. And we're now going to come into what they call the ego eradicator. And the ego is simply fear in the body. And fear can leave its mark, whether it's tension in the jaw or a frowning of the brow. And so this 3-minute breathing exercise involves breath of fire. So quick, sharp exhales through with the navel. And we're going to use the hands, which are nice and moisturized now from the oil, to just take the fingers down to the first knuckle, and you're going to plug your thumbs into the sky. And a big capital letter V with the arms. Again, the shoulders are away from the ears, chin slightly in towards the chest. And breath of fire. So if you're on the first 3 days of your moon cycle, or if you think you're pregnant, then just turn this into a breathing exercise. The lifting of the arms is already draining the lymphatic system along the front of the shoulders. So there's benefit whether you're breathing or not. And whenever you're ready, we'll begin breath of fire. Good, so keep going. You'll want to find a breath that's consistent. That might be faster or slower than mine, but just a rhythm that you can keep nice and steady here. Eyes focus at the third eye. And this is also known as the skull cleansing breath. So any thoughts, there's no thinking here, just breathing. Sharp, quick exhales. Let the inhale happen naturally. Good, stay steady. So the only thing moving in your body is your belly. The rest of your body is nice and strong. Inner organs soft, gaze softening at a soft gaze at the third eye. Continue. Good. When you're ready, take a deep inhale. And without looking, just feel for the thumbs to touch above the head. Once the thumbs touch, take another little sip of breath in. We're going to hold the breath. As you lift the pelvic floor, you're going to direct the energy from the very base of your spine into the very center of your brain. Visualize the energy lighting up the spine. And then on the exhale, draw the hands down. We're going to take the thumbs to touch the third eye. And just take a moment to focus into this center, the very seat of your intuition. And clearing away any fog, any confusion, any blocked vision. Bringing the thumbs to your chin, and bringing a smile to your face. And this kindness, it expresses everything. And just imagine yourself sharing this glow, this radiance, through your eyes, through your smile for the rest of the day. And thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.